Now, if your room feel hot and you really don't want to turn on that super loud fan that you probably already got at home that sound like a freaking jet engine, this right here just may be the product for you. Yo, what's going on, you guys? It is CJ Brand, and we are back once again with a brand new tech review video for you guys today. Now, today we're going to be taking a look at a different tech product, but it's something that I personally definitely needed in my new home space. Well, not even new home space. Y'all seen the space before, but you know, I just needed this here just because I need to cut out distractions. And the Antarctic Star T42 tower fan literally just does that for me. Now, I'm a bigger guy and they get hot, you feel me? And I'd love to have a fan on, especially while I'm either gaming or even editing videos or even making content just like this. As of right now, I currently do have the fan on right here in the background. It does look like it's off, but trust me, it's on. It's on its lowest setting, and I can guarantee right now that you literally can't hear it because I'd be forgetting that it's on. Only reason I do know it's on just because the wind is actually blowing on my leg right now. It's kind of crazy. But let's go ahead and talk about this fan, and let's go ahead and see if this is a product that you guys may add to your, you know, home office. Now, straight off the bat, let's go ahead and take a look at the design of this product right here. And first and foremost, this right here was like the easiest setup in the world. I mean, honestly, right in the box, you had a couple things up in there, you know, of course, to protect the actual product itself. Got some documentation, and it also does come with a remote control. And it also comes with its own batteries, which I was like, thank you for that. That was just a blessing right there. But also on top of that, basically just to go ahead and assemble the bottom half, all you do is put both of the pieces of the fan at the bottom side, just put them together, take the fan and clamp it on to the clamp itself, and voila, plug it in, you're good to go just like that. Like, it's actually kind of crazy. Let's go and talk about the design aspect of this actual fan itself, just because, I mean, me personally, I think this design is pretty dope. Now, this right here is going to be a tower fan, and it's also bladeless, so therefore that really does help, you know, without it being too loud, which I'm very thankful for it. I've been able to get some nice sleep with it, and also do some editing and gaming as well while using a fan on, you know, several modes we're going to talk about very shortly. But just taking a look at it, like I said, we do have an LED screen right here on top of the actual fan itself. Well, not on top, just in the middle of it. This right here is going to show us like the different fan speeds that we do have, and also the other mode options you can place it in. And also on top of that, if you want to go ahead and turn the volume off on the fan, not the wind noise, but the volume of the clicking, you can actually do that as well, basically putting the fan in like a sleep mode, so therefore you won't have any distractions, which is pretty cool. Otherwise than that, I like the fact that, like I said, that this is going to be a bladeless fan as well, so therefore it really takes literally no space at all almost in your office spaces or even in your bedroom situation. You literally just plug the fan up, put it to the side, turn it on, and voila. Like, it's literally that simple. It's pretty dope. And I really like the fact that this fan also does come with a remote control, just because, I mean, respectfully, I'm personally ain't trying to get out the bed in the middle of the night just trying to change the fan settings, and that's what I used to have to do and everything now. But the fact that we do have this remote control that comes with it, this literally, hey, one click of a button I could turn it off, one click of a button I could turn the speed up, I can turn it down, I can switch the modes, I can set a timer so I can oscillate it. Hey, it's literally dope. Now let's go ahead and move over to the feature section. Now this fan right here definitely does come with 6 different fan speeds. Right now I currently have it at 1, but if you up it to 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, you're gonna obviously hear that the fan is gonna pick up, you know, some noise and everything. Me personally, I like to have mine on 6, but I also pair it up with a different mode that it does come with, which we do get 4 different modes up in here. One is pretty much gonna be the normal mode, and this pretty much is like your everyday airflow, so nothing too major, just a steady breeze of air coming through you. It's that simple. The next mode we do have on here is gonna be a natural mode, and natural is pretty weird in my opinion, just because it's like it switches from like, it kind of like give you like a more realistic thing. Like, imagine you being outside, you know, there could be a time where just nothing, you know, blowing at all. Then all of a sudden it could be like this heavy wind going. That's pretty much what the natural mode is going to be for. But then again, you know, it's all about your personal preferences, and I'm happy that it actually gave us 4 different modes in here. And then the next one is going to be our sleep mode, and basically this right here just lowers the actual noise of the overall fan itself, so therefore, you know, won't have any distractions at all. Now the last one is going to be one that I'm going to consider being like the smart AI version of it, and basically what this one is going to do is pretty much is going to automatically adjust you know, the fan speed based off of the room that you're in, which I've used it once and I didn't really trip off of it because I'm in a basement area technically, and it's like it was going, but then it stopped, then it was going, then it was stopped. So I'm like, it's not consistent to me, but I'm kind of curious to figure out, you know, how and when should that mode technically be used for. So I got to do a little bit more testing with that for sure. In addition to us having 6 different fan modes and then also 4 different modes you can put the fan in, you do still have the oscillating feature as well. And the cool thing about this is that it does oscillate up to like a 90-degree angle. And also on top of that, if you are somebody that actually wants to turn the fan on while you're about to go to sleep or you're just laying down, you can actually set a timer for the fan to actually turn off up to 9 hours, which I think that's going to be pretty dope for a lot of people. Now moving over to the actual performance and the noise level of this fan, because I know, you know, tower fans, they do generate a lot of, you know, noise, and even like the standard fans that you may have as well, they generate a lot of noise. Like I said, throughout this video, I've actually had the fan on setting number 1, and I don't think that you guys are going to be able to hear that. However, but if we do take this remote control right here and we do increase it, see right now we're at 2, and it's still very chill, but as you see, we go up to 3, it starts to pick up. 4, we pick up more because it's, you know, it's blowing out more, duh. And that's number 5, and this is 6. So yeah, you may be able to, you know, clearly hear that difference. But like I said, I really love having this remote control just to have it literally. It's very convenient. Just bloop, and that mug is off. It just got hot, so I'm gonna turn that mug back on real quick. It's something about that. I'm gonna turn the mug down to 1 real quick. But yeah, as you guys see clearly, if you go ahead and increase the fan speed itself, of course, it's going to generate a lot more noise, but it's not as noisy as a fan that actually has blades, which is going to be very distracting. To me personally, this is very soothing just because I'm able to edit with it and, like I said, also play games. And even if I want to watch like a quick movie, I can do that without being like, dang, somebody turn the fan off. It's too loud. Like, you know, it's kind of cool. But then also on top of that, even having it on the setting of like 1, it still blows out enough air, like, you know, to where it's like, do I really need to have it on 6, you know, or can I just chill it out on 1? And that's pretty much what I'll thug it out on, is either between 1 and 6, just depending on how I'm feeling. Simple as that, man. But yeah, so overall, if you guys are looking for a more modernized fan and also something that is very ease of use, that has several different fan speeds and that's super quiet as well, and also have different modes for you and your liking, I'd say definitely you want to check out the Antarctic Star T42 tower fan, and I'll make sure this product is definitely going to be linked down below in the description so you guys can go pick yourself up one. But until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.